Damage to the frame tip on this Ford F-150 is in a collapse zone and will require replacement. Ford provides a service part for the front frame tip and an installation procedure. The edge of the frame tip is tapered to allow it to slide into the end of the front section of the frame. We've already verified that this frame is dimensionally correct and have removed the surrounding parts to access this factory seam where the frame tip will be replaced. Now we'll remove the damaged frame tip by cutting slightly forward of the seam. Next, we'll use a grinder to grind back through the weld. It's important not to grind too far back into the front section of the frame to ensure proper fit-up of the replacement frame tip. To avoid grinding too far back, it's a good idea to switch to a less aggressive tool when getting close to the edge of the frame. The remaining piece of the original frame tip can be separated and removed with a slide hammer. With the end of the front frame section and the replacement part prepped for welding, we can now position the replacement part into the frame. This adjustable fixture allows us to hold the frame tip in position while three-dimensional measurements are taken. Once the frame tip is in the proper location, the fixture is tightened to prevent it from moving. Ford specifies using a welder capable of producing 200 amps and 0.9 to 1.1 millimeter ER70S-3 welding wire. After making test welds, tack welds are made to the rail and the measurements are again verified. The joint is welded around the entire circumference of the rail. Dress any of your welds as necessary. In the service information, it says to use dye penetrant to check for any voids or cracks in your welds. Also, don't forget to apply corrosion protection to the inside of the rail.